Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we're going to talk about lifestyle, DIY, budgeting, and fashion. This video is going to be an unboxing for cloth and paper. I normally do this once a month. It's a subscription box they have, and we're going to unbox the August box. So let's get into it. You know, it's already August, so we're just gonna skip that little detail and jump right into it. Let's see if I can focus and zoom in a little bit. Okay, so first we have our August cardboard. We have this one that goes, this one here goes inside my travel wallet. And then this one right here I put in there too as well. So we have both of these. I'm gonna put those to the side. I don't know where the little card they give us to tell us what's in this box. Okay, I think I lost it, so I don't know what's all in this box, but here we go. There's just be in the moment. I love this because I love to always be in the moment. It says, our minds give us so much to consider, but sometimes being present is all we need to do. Love it. There's some stock cards with just some quotes on there. Let's put those to the side. And then they gave us some plastic discs. It looks like they're 1.5 inches, and there's 8 of them in a pack. So there's that. I'm gonna put that right here. And then they gave us, what are these? Half-page graphic notes. I love to take notes. I write on anything. So actually, I think I can use these for this. Actually. Oh, okay. Let's open these up and throw them everywhere and see how this works. So it looks like I can just like add on things to this. So I love that. So there's that. And then there goes the graphic notes. Okay, next they give us our drop stickers. I love these drop stickers for anything. So it looks like there's 3 different sizes. There's 114 small ones. There's 62 medium ones and 27 large ones. Let's open it up to see. So these are the small ones. These are, let me get to those. These are the medium size one. And then these are how the large one looks. Oh, love them. So put that to the side. Then they give us a magnetic clip, a cloth and paper magnetic clip. Listen, you guys, I watch a lot of cloth and paper videos on YouTube, and I see everybody with this clip. So I'm excited for this clip, to be honest. This one's in black matte. And this is how the clip looks. So let's open it up. Let's grab something. I don't know, like this right here. Like, ooh, it has a strong grip too. It's a strong strong magnetic. So I love this a lot. It's very minimum. It doesn't have anything in the front or anything in the back. But when you do open it, it does have the cloth and paper little sign. And then it has like a little logo right here. But I love this. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. Ooh, they have a dashboard with the letter E on it. And it says EM space. Oh, it's actually 2. So let me grab my, I think this is why they gave us all these rings to make your own little notebook. Give me a minute while I fight with it. Okay, so back. I had to go off camera real fast to set it up, but I love this. So they give us some more stuff, I think, to add to your little folder. So they give us a little dashboard of some watercolor. This one right here looks like it is a weekly calendar. So 2021 July weekly calendar. So this is for July. We're in August, so it's a little late, but maybe I can order some more that has August. Oh, just show you, they gave you July and August. So this one here is August. I'm just gonna take out the back page, and I'm gonna throw August in here too. Okay, so we have August in here, so A for August, and then it has August, it has a little, the month right there says August, and then inside of it, it has all of the days, and then like some little grid boxes that you can either check off or write something in, and then on this side it has, I'm gonna like just, it has priorities, memo, next week, and then the August calendar on the bottom of the page. So every page is like that. It has like the next week, and then it has the calendar. So this is very cute. So I'm just gonna close that. I'm gonna use this dashboard right here, and I'm just gonna slide it in here. There we go. Just to separate the E and the A. And then lastly, we have just some graph paper that's blank. And then, so you have some the blank side right here, and then the graph. Oh, let me, so you have the blank side right here, and then you have the graph paper right here. And they just give you a few of those. So I'm gonna put it in here too as well. So now here's a little, oh wait. Okay, so they gave us a dashboard, and they gave us some picture art, and it says, someone with deep sensitivity to the beauty of art or nature. And then they gave us the graph paper, which I don't know why it didn't show up very good on here, so let me just fix the camera. There we go. And then they gave us a little pretty dashboard, and then they gave us August month calendar, like a little calendar. So A for August. And they also gave us some notepad paper, which is here. So I do love this this box. They will also have like little memo dot sticker sheets, so that can go in there too as well. So yeah, I do love this box a lot. My favorite thing in this box, it has to be the paper clip. Like, this paper clip is something else. Like how cute that is. Like, I love it. So let me know if you guys get this box too as well, and let me know what was your favorite part or favorite thing in the box. I will leave the link to Closet Paper down below, so you guys can check it out and see if you guys can get signed up for the box, so we can open our box together and talk about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments box below. Everything that I have here, I will link in the description box. Please go ahead and like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.